The connector serves two purposes. It allows you to attach a 4-inch hose to route the air out of the house, and it has a built-in damper that prevents air from entering the bathroom from outside. The most common reason that this part is replaced is the damper becomes stuck and doesn't open or close. Once the fan is installed, you will usually need to enter the attic to access the connector or cut away the ceiling drywall if the fan is installed between joists, such as in a basement. Once you have access to the connector, replacing it is easy, and I'm going to show you how. The hardest part of replacing the connector is simply accessing it. If the bathroom fan is mounted in an upstairs bathroom, you'll need to go up into your attic to get access. If it's in a basement, it can be even a little more challenging. In the basement, the fan will be mounted between joists. To access the connector, you'll need to cut away the drywall so you can reach it from below. Once you have access to the connector, the first thing you'll do is remove the hose. The hose may just be simply taped to the connector, or sometimes there'll be some screws. Once the hose has been removed from the connector, you can just simply pull it away from the housing. The new connector locks onto the tabs on the housing. So I'll place it over the opening and snap it in place. And you'll finish up your install by reattaching the hose. And that's all it takes to install a new connector on your bathroom fan.